بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
كتاب الإيمان.
باب دعاؤكم إيمانكم.
Hadith number 8.
Hadith topic is
بني الإسلام على 5.
عن ابن عمر رضي الله عنهما قال قال رسول الله صلى الله عليه وسلم
Narrated Ibn Umar. Allah's Messenger, peace be upon him, said,
بني الإسلام على 5.
Islam is based on the following 5 principles.
شهادة أن لا إله إلا الله وأن محمدا رسول الله.
to testify that none has the right to be worshipped but Allah, and Muhammad is Allah's messenger.
وإقام الصلاة. 2. To offer the compulsory congregational prayers dutifully and perfectly. وإيتاء الزكاة. 3. To pay Zakat, i.e. obligatory charity. والحج. 4. To perform Hajj, i.e. pilgrimage to Mecca. وصوم Ramadan. 5. To observe fast during the month of Ramadan.
تخريج الحديث by Sheikh Hafiz Muhammad Iqbal Hafizahullah.
There are 34 hadiths from Ibn Umar across various books of hadith discussing. Islam is based on the following 5 principles.
2 hadith in Sahih Bukhari. 4 hadiths in Sahih Muslim. 2 hadiths in Sunan at-Tirmidhi. 1 hadith in Nisa'i. 2 hadith in Ibn Habban. 5 hadith in Musnad Ahmad. 2 hadith in Ibn Abi Shayba. 3 hadith in Bahaqi. 3 hadith in Ibn Khuzaymah. 6 hadith in Tibrani. 3 hadith in Abi Ya'la. 1 hadith in Musnad Imam Abi Hanifa. In Bukhari hadith number 8 and 4399. In Muslim hadith number 77, 78, 79, and 80. In Tirmidhi hadith number 2670 and 2671. In Nisa'i hadith number 4985. In Musnad Imam Ahmad 4792, 5656, 5998, 18861, and 18867. In Ibn Khuzaymah 310, 311, and 1881. In Ibn Habban 157 and 1660. In Bahaqi 1712, 7252, and 7911. In Ibn Abi Shayba 15313 and 26047. In Tibrani 13203, 13518, 2363, 2364, 2368, and 12800. In Abi Ya'la 5791, 7503, and 7508. 1 hadith in Musnad Imam Abi Hanifa. Thank you for watching our channel. Don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next video, where we'll delve into the insights of Hadith No. 9. Stay tuned for more enlightening content.